How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. So if you want to delete TikTok messages from both sides, then first you just need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now go with the inbox option, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the inbox and then go with a message. So for example, I'll be choosing someone to message. So I have this person, right? So once you're here on the chat, now what you need to do is you just need to simply send a message. Once you've sent a message, now tap on that message or simply tap and hold on to that message, and here you will get a bunch of options. So here on the bottom right, you will have a delete option. Tap on delete, and once you tap on delete, it will ask you if you want to delete for everyone or if you want to only delete it for you. So if you want to delete your TikTok messages from both sides, then you need to simply choose the first option, which is delete for everyone. Once you tap on it, that message has been removed from TikTok on both sides. So messages can be deleted within 3 minutes after sending. But if it is more than 3 minutes, then you won't be able to delete your TikTok messages from both sides. So that's how you can delete your TikTok messages from both sides. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.